Here I am demonstrating live display of step-by-step calibration method for controller with sensor. After cleaning, visually inspect the controller with sensor means UUC. Check for display and proper working of all functions. Keep the controller with sensor for at least 30 minutes for soaking at 25 plus minus 3 degrees centigrade so that the temperature is brought to equilibrium. Before starting calibration, ensure that the environment condition is maintained. The temperature should be between 25 plus minus 3 degrees centigrade and humidity should be 45 to 75% RH. For calibration, I am using a multifunction calibrator, master temperature sensor PT100 and liquid temperature bath as reference instruments. This is a controller with sensor having range 0 to 250 degrees centigrade, least count 0.1 degree centigrade and type PT100. Now I will demonstrate the calibration of controller with the sensor. As per calibration method, for calibration of controller with sensor, we need to select 5 calibration points as approximately 50 degrees centigrade, 100 degrees centigrade, 150 degrees centigrade, 200 degrees centigrade and 250 degrees centigrade of the range of unit under calibration. Here I am going to calibrate 100 degrees centigrade range. First of all, connect the temperature bath to the electricity supply and switch on the power. Observe the display on the controller. It must show that the bath is ready to use. Check that master temperature sensor attached with multifunction calibrator and UUC are immersed at the same depth inside temperature bath. Now I am beginning calibration of this controller with sensor. Set 100 degree centigrade temperature on the controller of solid temperature bath. Once the set 100 degree centigrade temperature on the solid temperature bath is reached, allow the 100 degree centigrade temperature to become stable for 2 to 3 minutes. In the worksheet, note down the temperature shown by the UUC as well as the temperature shown by master temperature sensor attached with multifunction calibrator. This is called first calibration point. You have to repeat the steps shown here for 4 more times to complete the calibration for this point. In this way, the demonstration of calibration of digital thermohygrometer for one point is completed. For this training purpose, you have to do this for all the points as per the method.